In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for topic versus topic comparisons fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to analyze the popularity of search terms over time, and comparing topics can give you invaluable insights to guide your content strategy or marketing campaigns. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. You should see it among the top results. Click on the first link to head over to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean and simple interface designed to help you dive deep into data with ease. Now, click on the Explore option. This will take you to a page where you can begin your search. Here, we have a search bar ready for you to enter the first topic. For this tutorial, let's use a keyword like remote work. Type it in and hit Enter on your keyboard. You'll see a trend graph that displays how this topic has been performing over a selected period. Next, let's make this interesting by adding more topics for comparison. Over by the search bar, there's a plus compare button. Click on that and another search field will appear. You can add up to 4 more topics here. Perhaps you'd like to compare it with terms like freelancing, AI tools, or digital nomad. As you add these, you'll see multiple colored lines populating your chart, each representing a different topic. To gain more precise insights, it's helpful to adjust the location and time range. You can tailor the data according to your geographical area and the period you're interested in. If you're looking at short-term trends, selecting the past 12 months is useful. For broader analysis, you might choose the past 5 years. This flexibility allows you to see both recent spurts and long-term trends. Once your graph is all set up, take some time to analyze it. The graph will show you which topics have higher search interest over time. This can provide important indicators of what's gaining or losing traction, helping you determine which topics are most relevant right now. As you scroll down, you'll find interest by sub-region. This section shows you where each topic is most popular and can be particularly useful if you're focusing on localized content or targeting a specific market. Finally, don't forget to explore related topics and queries at the bottom. These suggestions can spark new ideas for spin-off content or richer subtopics to explore, which can be incredibly beneficial for boosting your SEO or refining your marketing strategies. Using Google Trends for topic comparisons can be a game changer in understanding audience interest and guiding your content direction. So dive in, explore, and let these insights help shape your strategies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial will assist you in making data-driven decisions efficiently.